I'd like to be the first to say hello, welcome to Earth. There's nothing quite like you here, you're the best for what it's worth. Your secret's safe with me, you know that I won't tell it so. I guess to me you're proof if proof is needed that something out there. Are you meant to be here? Did you land here by mistake? It's clear that you were different from the difference that you make. I bet you travel far now, let me make you feel at home. I know wherever you go next there'll always be someone out there who loves you. Someone out there